Hey guys, welcome back and congratulations. Are you a beginner content creator, or would you love to know a little more on how to become a successful content creator? In this guide, I will show you what being a content creator is all about, and then go ahead to give you some few tips on how to become a successful content creator. My name is Mazi Ezike Chinedu, and becoming a content creator involves creating and sharing content online. So, whether it's in the form of videos, blogs, social media posts, podcasts, or other mediums, content creating is just all about creating your own content and then sampling it online. Now, what are you going to learn in this wonderful guide? In this guide, we are going to start by talking about finding your niche, research and planning, choosing your favorite platform, creating high quality content, consistency, engaging with your audience, collaborating to promote your content, analyzing your performances, learning and adaptation, monetization, and then finally, we are going to go ahead to learn all the legal and ethical considerations. And that's wonderful, guys. Okay? Now, here are some steps to help you become content creator. Okay? First things first, you're going to start by finding your niche. Okay? Decide on the type of content you want to create. This could be related to your passion, your interests, and expertise. Choosing a niche that you are passionate about will help you to stay motivated. Now, the next in line is to research and plan. Okay? Study what successful content creator in your chosen niche are doing. Okay? Now, this will give you insights into what works and what doesn't work. Create a content plan outlining your goals, target audience, and content ideas. Alright? And that's fine, guys. Now, the next in line is to choose your platform. Okay? Select the platform where you want to share your content. Alright? Options may include YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and blogging platforms like WordPress, podcasting platforms, and social media. Alright? And that's fine, guys. Now, the next in line is creating high quality content. So, guys, it's important that you invest in good equipment and softwares if necessary. Okay? Because your content should be visually and, or should I say, audibly appealing. Okay? Depending on the medium. Okay? So, edit your content to improve its quality. And that's beautiful, guys. Now, the next in line is consistency. Okay? This means that consistency is key to growing an audience. Stick to a regular posting schedule that helps your audience to know when to expect new content. Okay? Now, the next in line is to engage with your audience. Okay? This means interacting with your followers or subscribers, responding to their comments and messages. Building a community around your content can help your content to grow. Alright? And that's beautiful, guys. Now, the next in line is collaboration. Okay? Collaborating with other content creators in your niche can help you reach a wider audience and then gain exposure. Okay? And that's a wonderful idea, guys. Don't try to do this on your own. Okay? Collaborate with other content creators so that you can gain more exposure. All right? And that's fine, guys. Now, the next in line is to promote your content. Okay? This means sharing your content on various social media platforms to increase visibility. Okay? And that's fine, guys. Now, for example, you can use SEO techniques if you are creating written content to improve search engine ranking. All right? And that's perfect, guys. Now, the next in line is to analyze your performances, guys. Monitor your content performance using analytic tools provided by the platform that you are using. Okay? This will help you understand what's working and what needs improvement. Okay? And that's beautiful, guys. Now, the next in line is to learn and adapt. Okay? This means that you should keep learning and staying updated on trends and changes in your niche and the platforms you use as well. Okay? So, be open to evolving your content strategy based on what you learn. Okay? And that's beautiful, guys. Now, the next in line is monetization. Now, once you have established an audience, you can explore ways to monetize your content. Options include advertising, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, merchandise sales, and many more. Okay? And that's fine, guys. Now, the next and last important tip to take note of is the legal and ethical considerations. Okay? This means that you should familiarize yourself with copyrights, fair use, and other legal and ethical considerations when using other people's content or dealing with sensitive topics. Okay? And that's beautiful, guys. Now, that's that on how to become a content creator. Now, remember this, guys. Remember that success as a content creator often takes time and persistence. Okay? Building a loyal audience and achieving your goals may not happen overnight. Okay? So, guys, be patient and stay committed to providing value to your viewers, readers, or listeners. And that's beautiful, guys. So, guys, do well to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any question or contribution concerning this particular content, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.